as we break into our Whissel widget of the week, this is something that, like I said, we use in our business or personal lives that just makes things a little better. Would you like to go first, or would you like me to?
What you got for me?
So this, I was actually thinking about earlier. I forgot what it was, and then as you were talking about it, I really, really love this idea. I hope my wife isn't watching because this is going to be for her as well. But buying little ornaments that you can put a picture in that says 2023. I think this is great for clients that bought a house or sold a house with you in the year. And you're just going to buy a couple ornaments. I think I got a 3-pack for $16 on Amazon or something like that. So they're $5 or $6 a piece. And you just, if you had an event and you had, like we did, we had our fall photo event or photos with Santa, take a little picture, print it out, cut it out, put it in there. And I think that's a great thing to put on their Christmas tree. Maybe put who it's from on the back, maybe a sticker, but don't do it on the front. It's not about your brand, it's about them. And if maybe you sold them a house, but you didn't take a photo, you forgot, find a photo on their Facebook or Instagram and print it out and put something like that as a memento, because as our kids are putting ornaments on trees and we, oh my God, look, when Elliot was just born, it's really, really cool. I think it's really impactful. It's really personal. And I do like to timestamp that and go, this happened in 2023. And you could do, home sweet, if you want to be generic about it, which is not bad, but maybe you say, home sweet home in 2023. And that's, oh yeah, we bought our house in 2023.
I love that.
It's super, I like it. It's cute, it's easy, it's inexpensive, and it's really easy to execute.
And that's cute for like the Popeyes at Christmas. Mm-hmm. The ones that bought that year, you put that in there. I love that.
Put a little photo of their house, a little photo of them, a photo of their kids, especially kids grow so quick. So seeing that year after, they will put, if you put, unless they have like a very important scheme of the white and blue or whatever, they will put that ornament on that tree every year and think about you every single year.
I love that.
They just will.
That's a cool one.
And don't make it about you. Make it about them.
Yeah.
Put your name on the back, sure, but don't make it about you.
I like that.
Thanks. What do you got?
Okay, so it's nothing new or anything like that, but one of the gals in the office, Erin, she got me hooked on Audible.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I have a client in escrow up in Hemet.
Okay. Which is an hour and a half plus from here.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So, and the Popeyes. That took me for just 11 people. I went all the way to Julian. I was in Hamul. A lot of driving.
Yeah.
So I've become addicted to listening to books. Mm-hmm. And whether it's, growing my business, which I don't like, those get kind of dry for me.
Okay.
I like fiction, some nonfiction. But I like things just to make my time go by and to seem less dreading of that drive. That's a long drive. I literally had a home inspection up in Hemet. Took me an hour and 40 minutes to get there. Yep. I was there a whole 45 minutes. Drove home. And I was like, sweet. I listened to a good portion of a book.
Yeah.
So I was okay with that.
Cool. I love Audible. I go back and forth. I get Audible and then I get a bunch of credits and I have to buy a bunch of books fast.
Yeah.
One of my favorite books on Audible, this will be a little bonus widget, is Exactly What to Say by Phil Wickman. Again, maybe it's not even his name, but Exactly What to Say. It's like the book is about an hour and a half, and it's so good. It gives you like 20 little key phrases and explains how to use them. Really, really, really great book. Really good book to hear over and over and over again. And if you're someone like me who I'm like, I want to listen to a book, but I don't want to listen to 6 hours of book because I don't drive that much, that's a great book to listen to.
Yeah.
Krista, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for opening up your playbook and sharing how you are building a business to last, to get repeat and referral business. I appreciate you.
Well, I appreciate you asking me to come on here.
Of course. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Whissel Way Podcast. We'll see you next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.